I am Ajay Bhatnagar from Alliance Infotech. I am going to tell you how to connect a USB based voice logger box with the system. Here you will be getting line splitters. The box you will be having line splitters, telephone cables, a USB cable to connect from the USB box with the logger system, a CD, and a USB box with it. Open the box and take out the voice logger box. You will be having some ports over here. Right now it is a 4-port USB based box. First connect the cable with the USB box. Take out the telephone line from the headset and insert it to the one port of a line splitter. Open the cable. Connect one side of the splitter with this cable and other side with the USB box on port number 1, like this. Take the other cable, open it, and insert it into the second port of the line splitter, and this one into the hand side. Now check for the dial tone. The dial tone is coming. Now you just open this box. Take out the cable from the box. Connect this USB cable with the Telrecall box and connect the other side of the USB cable with the computer or the laptop. And in this way the physical connectivity is open. This is how the logger box is connected with the laptop. Here you will be able to see a power light to be green. That means the physical connectivity is okay. Thank you. This is all about the connectivity.